Hi guys, today doing an open box. This is I think is the water collections for where when I need to clean the air conditions, the dirty water. There's a canvas. It's a canvas to put under the aircon unit so that when we jack down the cooling fins, this will collect the. It's just a canvas, a type of canvas, which I never used before. So let's see how is it. Let's open. It's from China. I bought it from China. Then yep. What is included? Let's see. Everything pull out. Oh, this is the two praying device. I think it's to pray up the casings. The casings. Cleaning brush, two types. The tube to this cloth. I think is they, as according to their video, is to cover the electronic parts, electronic side of the air conditions. And this is it. Let me see. Let me open it up. Let's see how is it. It's the brand Go Tech or something. It's sticky. This is new. So coming up. It's quite big, It's quite big. Let me lay it on the floor, then show you how's the size and the things goes. Okay, quite big. It's quite big. Guys, I'm back. This is how the unit look like. It's a funnel shape. It's funnel shapes. I think this one fits. Wait a minute. Okay, I think this part will fit under the AC. And those strips is a Velcro, so the Velcro over, so it's hang under the machines. It's a funnel shapes. So then this is where the tube will connect to collect the water. So it works for this type of aircon. Let me show you. It works for this type of aircon. So it's the first time I'm using it. Let's see how it goes. So this is the open box. When all the items arrive, I'm still waiting for the spray down pumps, the pressure pumps to spray down the fins to come. Then I'll do the review together. So this is just an open box, and that's it. Thank you everyone.